Is hepatitis B is more dangerous than hepatitis A and other types of hepatitis? First of all, we will define hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is a viral infection that affects the liver. It is caused by the hepatitis B virus HBV, which can be transmitted through contact with infected blood or body fluids, such as from unprotected sexual contacts, sharing needles, or from infected mother to her newborn during childbirth. Symptoms of hepatitis B. Symptoms of hepatitis B can vary from person to person, and some people with the virus may not experience any symptoms at all. However, here are some common symptoms that can occur. Number one, fatigue and weakness. Number two, abdominal pain or discomfort. Number three, nausea and vomiting. Jaundice, yellowing of skin and eyes, dark urine and pale colored stool, joint pain and muscle aches, fever and chills, itching all over the body, diarrhea or constipations. Symptoms of hepatitis B can appear anywhere from 3 to 180 days after exposure to the virus. In some cases, symptoms may be mild or go away on their own within a few weeks. However, in other cases, the virus can cause chronic infection which can lead to liver damage, liver cancer, or other complications. If you need or think you have been exposed to hepatitis B or are experiencing any of the symptoms listed above, it's important to see a healthcare provider for testing and evaluations and treatment. Treatment of hepatitis B. Treatment of hepatitis B depends upon the severity and infection and the stage of the disease. Here are some common treatment for hepatitis B. Antiviral medications. The medications can help to reduce the amount of virus in the body and slow down the progression of the disease. Commonly used antiviral drugs for hepatitis B include entecavir, tenofovir, lamivudine. Interferon injections can help to boost the immune system and reduce the amount of virus in the body. However, this treatment is not commonly used due to its side effects and limited effectiveness. Number 3. Liver transplant. In some cases, a transplant may be necessary if the liver is severely damaged and cannot function properly. It is a complex procedure that is only considered in the advanced cases of hepatitis B. Number 4. Lifestyle change. Make lifestyle change such as avoiding alcohol and maintaining a healthy diet and exercise routine can be helped to improve liver functions and reduce the risk of complications. It's important to note there is no cure for hepatitis B, but with the proper treatment and management, most people with disease can live healthy and protective lives. Regularly monitoring and follow up with the healthcare provider important to explore or ensure the best possible outcomes. Additionally, vaccination is highly effective in preventing hepatitis B infection in the first place.